everyone, welcome back to Daily Drives, the place where we talk about all things motorcycles, reviews, comparisons, and deep dives into some of the most iconic bikes out there. If you love speed, performance, and the thrill of riding, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, let's jump right into today's video. The Suzuki GSX-R750 is one of the most legendary sport bikes in motorcycle history. It has a rich heritage dating back to the mid-1980s and has been a favorite among riders who crave a perfect balance between a 600cc and a 1000cc bike. The GSX-R750 sits in that sweet spot where power meets agility, giving riders an experience that's both thrilling and practical. It's not just about speed. This bike is a symbol of precision engineering and Suzuki's commitment to high-performance motorcycles. Let's start by looking at the heart of the GSX-R750, the engine. It features a 750cc inline-4 liquid-cooled engine that produces around 150 horsepower depending on the model year and tuning. This power plant is known for its smooth power delivery, making it a beast on both the streets and the track. Unlike a liter bike that can sometimes feel overwhelming or a 600cc that might leave you wanting more, the GSX-R750 delivers the best of both worlds. The throttle response is sharp and the bike pulls hard through the rev range, making it an absolute joy to ride. One of the things that make the GSX-R750 special is its weight-to-power ratio. It's only slightly heavier than a 600cc Supersport, but packs significantly more power. This means you get a bike that feels nimble in corners while still delivering impressive straight-liner acceleration. The chassis is designed to be lightweight and rigid, giving you excellent handling whether you're carving through mountain roads or pushing hard on a racetrack. The suspension setup plays a huge role in making this bike feel as balanced as it does. Suzuki has always equipped the GSX-R750 with high-quality suspension components, including fully adjustable front forks and a rear shock that allows you to fine-tune your ride. Whether you're riding on rough city roads or smooth track surfaces, the GSX-R750 remains stable and responsive. The Showa big piston forks found on the recent models help improve front-end feel, giving riders more confidence when attacking corners. Braking performance is another strong point of this bike. With dual front disc brakes featuring Brembo calipers on the newer models, stopping power is excellent. The feedback from the brakes is precise, allowing you to modulate pressure smoothly, whether you're braking hard for a corner or slowing down in traffic. The GSX-R750 also comes with ABS on recent models, which adds an extra layer of safety without compromising performance. Another reason why riders love this bike is its ergonomics. Unlike some aggressive supersports that put a lot of strain on the rider, the GSX-R750 is designed to be relatively comfortable. Yes, it's still a sport bike, so you'll be leaning forward, but the riding position is not as extreme as some of its competitors. The seat height is manageable for most riders, and the overall ergonomics strike a good balance between comfort and performance. If you're someone who enjoys long rides but still wants the thrill of a supersport, the GSX-R750 won't disappoint. Now, let's talk about technology. Suzuki has continually updated the GSX-R750 with modern features while maintaining its raw and engaging riding experience. While it might not have the most high-tech electronics compared to some newer bikes, it does come with Suzuki's Drive Mode Selector, SDMS, which allows you to adjust power delivery based on your riding conditions. Some models also include traction control, which helps in slippery conditions or aggressive riding situations. However, Suzuki has kept things relatively simple compared to other manufacturers, making the GSX-R750 a rider's samest machine that doesn't rely too much on electronic aids. A big factor in choosing a sport bike is fuel efficiency and maintenance. The GSX-R750, despite its high-performance nature, offers decent fuel economy for its class. Riders can expect around 40 mpg under normal riding conditions, which is quite good for a bike with this level of performance. Maintenance costs are also reasonable compared to liter bikes, and Suzuki's reliability means you won't be dealing with frequent mechanical issues as long as you keep up with regular servicing. One of the best aspects of the GSX-R750 is its versatility. While it's undeniably a sport bike, it can handle different types of riding. Whether you're commuting, weekend canyon carving, or doing track days, this bike can do it all. Many riders appreciate the fact that they can take it to the racetrack on a Sunday and then ride it to work on Monday without feeling like they're making a huge compromise. Let's discuss the styling of the GSX-R750. Over the years, Suzuki has refined its design while staying true to the aggressive GSX-R look. The fairings are sharp and aerodynamic, giving the bike a race-ready appearance. The twin headlight setup and the overall sleek design make it look fast even when standing still. The color schemes Suzuki offers are always eye-catching, with race-inspired liveries that make the GSX-R series stand out. One question a lot of people ask is how the GSX-R 750 compares to other bikes in its class. The truth is, there aren't many direct competitors because most manufacturers focus on either 600cc or 1000cc sport bikes. However, some bikes that come close include the Yamaha R7, which is a more entry-level option, and the Honda CBR 650R, which is a slightly detuned but still sporty middleweight bike. However, neither of these bikes can match the raw performance of the GSX-R 750. On the other hand, if you compare it to a leader bike like the Yamaha R1 or Kawasaki ZX-10R, the GSX-R 750 offers a more manageable riding experience without sacrificing too much power. For those considering buying a GSX-R 750, the decision often comes down to what kind of rider you are. If you're upgrading from a 600cc bike and want more power without the intensity of a leader bike, the GSX-R 750 is a perfect choice. It's also great for experienced riders who want a fun, fast bike that isn't as overwhelming as a 1000cc machine. The balance of performance, handling, and usability makes it a unique offering in the sport bike world. Now let's talk about pricing. A brand new GSX-R 750 is generally more expensive than a 600cc Supersport, but significantly cheaper than a leader bike. This makes it a great value for the performance it offers. If you're looking at used models, you can find well-maintained GSX-R 750s for a very reasonable price, and because they're known for their reliability, buying used is often a great option. Overall, the Suzuki GSX-R 750 is a legendary machine that continues to be a favorite among sport bike enthusiasts. It has the perfect mix of power, agility, and reliability, making it one of the best all-around sport bikes available. Whether you're a track rider, a weekend warrior, or just someone who loves sport bikes, the GSX-R 750 is a machine that won't disappoint. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Suzuki GSX-R 750, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Daily Drives channel for more motorcycle content. Let us know in the comments, have you ridden a GSX-R 750? What's your favorite sport bike? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Ride safe!